He could have done it. God can do anything.
Бурханд боломжгүй мэднэгч байдгүй.
When Philip was in Samaria, suddenly Philip ran and got caught up with the horse.
Филипп чэстэ нэг мэдсэн чи гүйдэг хар болоо Самараас гараад шууд тэ сүх тэргийг гүйдсэн баг.
He was there, then suddenly he was there.
Хотод байжсэн нэг мэдсэн чи өөр газар хүрээд ирсэн.
God just moved him.
Бурхан зүгээр л тэнийг хөдлөө хийсэн.
Few minutes.
Хэдэн минутанд.
God could have done the same thing.
Бурхан яг тэгж чадна.
He could have taken 2 million people and in just 1 hour transfer them into the promised land.
2 сая хүнийг зүгээр өлхөн өргөж аваад тэгээ ганцхан цагийн дотор амлалтын газар аваач буулгачих чадна.
So the manna, the water, all that is just secondary issues.
Маннач, усч энэ бүгдээр хоёр дахь зүйлүүд.
The primary issue is the training program.
Тэгэхээр гол бурхны цөлөөр явуулсан гол зорилго нь ерөөсөө тэднийг асгалжуулах байсан. Сургах байсан.
Just like you send your children to school.
Яг та нар хүүхдүүдээ сургуульд явуулдаг шиг.
And you give them some food with them to eat at school.
Гэхдээ сургуульд явуулахын тулд та нар тэднээс хоол өгөх хэрэгтэй.
The food is not the main issue.
Тэгэхээр хоолорж байгаа чинь гол санаа чинь биш.
The main issue is school.
Гол санаа бол хүүхд чинь сургуульд сурсан байх, боловсрох.
Wow, what a food.
Yes, ямар гоё хоол вэ?
My mother put a banana.
Just the banana.
Wow, banana. Oh,
wow, Moнгол banana идэ.
I will think about it a whole hour.
Бис энэ талаар бүтэн цаг бодлоо.
She's so good to me.
Ээж нэр үнэ агуу юм.
Yes, she is.
Ээж уусаа агуу.
But you should know that already.
Гэхдээ та энийг архизэний банаагүй мэдэх ёстой.
That you have a good mother and a caring father.
Амар сайн ээжтэй сайн аав гэдэг.
But you are not at school to think about that. You are at school to be trained.
Та сургууль дээр өгсөн бананы бодохын тулд ирээгүй. Та сургууль дээр сургагдахын тулд ирсэн байна.
When you come home from school, kiss your mother, tell her you love her.
Тэгээд гэртээ үржирээд ээжигээ үнсээр та нарыг үнэхээр сайн ээжүүлнэ.
But at school, don't think about her. Think about school.
Харин сургууль дээр сургуулаад бод, сургалтаад бод. Банан чүдээ бод ээжигээ.
So the wilderness is not about bitter water turning to sweet water.
Тэгэхээр цүл бол хэрхэн гашуун усыг чихэрлэг болгож байгаа тухай биш юм.
Amen.
Amen.
God said to Moses, let me fix that for you. Take a piece of wood.
Мосед бурхан хэлжсэн морцоо айлыг би чамд нэг жаал залруулгая гэдэг. Жижигхэн мод аваад
and throw into the water.
Ус руу хийчих.
Then it was sweet.
Тэгээд над ус чинь аюу гоё чихэртэй байна. Үнээр гайхалтай.
He could have taken flour if there were flowers in the wilderness.
Тэгээд цүлт хэрэг цэцэг байсан бол бурхан тэгэх байсан. Мосед цэцэг аваад ус руу хийчих. Тэгээд над ус чинь чихэрлэг.
Maybe God had asked him to blow on the water.
Эсвэл зүгээр чинь нулимчтай над ус руу түй. Тэгээд над
Or just the water.
Эсвэл зүгээр ус.
Then it was sweet.
Тэгээд тэр ус чинь
For God is not the problem.
Бурхан бол тэгээд ерөөсөө
The issue was the training program.
Бурханы гол санаа нь энэ хүмүүсийг би цүлт сургах.
Are you with me? All right. So are we still in the wilderness?
За цүлтөө бид нар гацсан ивэрэл байна.
Yes? Yes or no? Yeah? Are you still enjoying the wilderness? Amen. So welcome to the training program. So yesterday we talked about fatherhood. And don't make it a problem for you. Right? Just take it in. Just take it in. Don't begin to weigh your pastor. Is he your father, or is half a father, or 11% a father, or 56%?
Өөрийгөө пастортэй бас манай пастор тэгвэл 80% эцэг юм байна, 20% пастор юм байна, 30% аав юм байна гэх. Хавийн амтныг дэрэг жинлээ.
A little bit more, a little bit less.
Тэгээд өөрийнхөө пасторыг жинлж дуусна. Өөрсмийн пасторыг жинлээ.
Don't make it complicated.
Энийг ингээд ярихтай гэдэг болов.
Amen. Say to God, God, you are my father. Anyway. Whatever happens, you are my father. Jesus, thank you for taking me to the Father. Amen. Live with your Father. Walk with your Father. Because if you do that, sonship will be produced. Concerning spiritual fatherhood, honor, let God create that.
Тэгээд та өөрийн сүнслэг эцгийн талаар санаа зовниж байгаа бол мөнхийн эцэг чинь танд энэ бүхнийг өгөх гэж байна.
But for now, take it in.
Харин одоо яг та зүгээр авчих, сорчих.
Take in the information.
мэдээллийг үлээгээр авчих.
Take in the understanding.
Сүнслэг ойлголтыг ав.
Because in some time it will become more and more reality.
Яа гэвэл цаг өнгөрөх тусам энэ таны хувьд бодиттой болох.
God will form that.
Бурхан энийгээ бүр яаж хэрэгжүүлэхээ мэднэ бурхан.
In John 17,
Иохан 17.
verse 9, Jesus said, let me see. No, let's read a little bit before. Verse 6. I have manifested your name to the men whom you have given me out of the world. They were yours, you gave them to me, and they have kept your word. What name did Jesus manifest to the people, to the disciples? The name of the Father. Amen? Amen. That's the name He manifested. If you've seen me, you've seen the Father. He represented the Father. Amen? Amen. That's why Jesus is not the way only to heaven. That's the consequence of limited salvation preaching. Limited salvation preaching is receive Jesus, you will be saved, you will go to heaven. It's not wrong. But it's just a small part of what God has in mind for us. It's just the birth. But by the birth, life just begins. So He said, I have manifested your name, the name Father, to men. To people you have given me. So Jesus did not hijack people. He didn't take people. Like Saul did. Amen. David was given people. When David was in the wilderness, chased by Saul, people came to him. 10, 15, 100, 2,000. They had to find him even. He didn't have posters all over the desert. Come to me. There will be wonderful music. There was no music. No worship, nothing. He was alone. Like a wild rabbit running through the wilderness. Chased by a demonized king who sometimes wanted to kiss him, have him as a son, next minute to kill him. 1 minute he cried, David, my son. Next minute he was ready to kill him. So Saul took people. Jesus never took anybody. He blessed everybody, healed everybody. Let them go home. But the Father gave him something. I have manifested your name to them, to the men which you gave me. God will give you people. God has given me people.